how to create a Tic Tac Toe game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. We start with a basic HTML structure containing a div element with class container to hold the tic-tac-toe board, a p element with ID message to display and game messages, and a button element with ID retry button for retrying the game. Initially, the retry button is hidden. We add CSS to style the tic-tac-toe board, cells, message and retry button. We write JavaScript code to handle the game logic, including initializing the board, rendering the board, handling cell clicks, checking for wins or draws, and retrying the game. The initialize board function resets the game state, sets the initialize player, and displays a message indicating whose turn it is. The render board function creates the game board dynamically by adding cell elements to the board container. The handle cell click function is called when a cell is clicked. The checkWin function iterates through possible win conditions and checks if the current player has fulfilled any of them. The click event listener to the retry button calls the initialize board function to restart the game, hides the retry button, and cleans the message. As a result, we created a Tic Tac Toe game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.